Hey guys, what's up? My name is Clank and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money on YouTube. Now this has not been one of the most requested video, but this has been one of the trending videos and people seem to like all these videos. So I thought of making it, and I searched these videos up on YouTube. Those videos are outdated, so I thought of making an updated video in 2019. So I would say let's get started. So if you want to make YouTube videos and make money by doing YouTube, you actually have to diverse and you have to divide your income. So I'll be teaching you 3 or 4 ways on how to make money on YouTube. First one is obviously monetization. Monetization, I would say, is the best way to make money on YouTube, but nowadays YouTube has updated its features where you need 4,000 watch hours and over 1,000 subscribers. That's really hard for small YouTubers, but I do also have a video on how to get more views and subscribers. I'll leave it in the description down below and also in the card on the top right hand corner. But getting back to the point, monetization is really good. If you want me to make a video on monetization, just comment it down below. But that's the first point, and the second point is obviously affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing, for new people, I'll just explain it. You need to own the product to actually sell it to the buyer. You can take a link from Amazon and then sell it to the buyer where you get a little bit of a commission. I'll leave a link to some videos in the description down below. But whatever, marketing can be really useful, and you guys can earn a lot of money through affiliate marketing. Pretty easy, and you guys can earn a lot of money because you don't need to own the product. You guys can take the link of any other person's product and then put it in your description. So if people click on that and buy it, you will get like a 10 or 25% commission. So if a product is $2,000, you'll get around $100 or $200 of a commission, which is pretty great. The third one is merchandise. Obviously merchandise, guys. Whatever niche you guys focus on by making these YouTube videos is really helpful. If you guys don't know what is merchandise, I'll just give you a brief explanation. Merchandise is where you make t-shirts and apparels and stuff for your viewers so then they can buy it. Like you guys have seen a lot of people make merchandise and apparels and stuff. Obviously, like Jake Paul, Logan Paul, they have all their shops like that. You guys can have a shop like that too. But if you guys are really small YouTubers, you guys probably can have, but it does not matter. You guys can have a merchandise some person might buy. So that's the third tip. It's really essential. Fourth one is really important, so I want you guys to concentrate on this. Now the last point is sponsorships. Now sponsorships are, I would say, the best way to earn money on all the 4 steps that I mentioned. Now note this, for a smaller YouTuber, getting sponsorships can be really hard, and you guys might not be able to get sponsorships because there might be a lot of reasons because you don't get sponsorship. One may be the way you send the email to others saying that you want a sponsorship. Maybe your YouTube analytics or YouTube or Twitch or anything, maybe not what they expect or something. But sponsorships are the best ways. Like if you have more than 1,000 subscribers or even 800 or 1,000 subscribers, let's go with 1,000 subscribers, many people will get sponsors from you. So there are a lot of websites you guys can get sponsors from. I'll leave a link to them in the description down below. You guys can check it out. But getting back to the point, sponsorships, you guys can earn a lot of money. There are different kind of sponsorships: product sponsorships, affiliate sponsorships. Like I mentioned, affiliate sponsorships is where you leave a link to a product in the description, and if people click on that and buy a product, you get a little bit of commission. But product review is also one of the best ways. You guys can contact the company that you want their product and you can review that, and through that sometimes the product company can even say you to keep the product and stuff like that. So those are all the 4 tips I want to say you guys. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy, please click on the subscribe button and also like this video. It would really mean a lot for me. Also follow me on social media in the description, and I would say I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, and comment down below what videos you want to see next, and bye. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.